OBDSTAR G3 secrets. Instantly retrieve VW MQB IMMO data without disassembly. Hey, diagnostic wizards and curious minds. Welcome back to Baabji Motors, your trusted garage of knowledge where diagnostics aren't just tools, they're superpowers. What if I told you that you could generate a dealer key for a Volkswagen MQB dashboard without even opening a single component, without soldering, and without any risky calculations? Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, grab your coffee and buckle up, because today I'm revealing a game-changing, hands-on guide to using the OBDSTAR X300 Classic G3 to query historical immobilizer, IMMO, data, and read ECU info on a VW MQB system. And all of it, yes, all of it, through the OBD port only. That's right, no tearing apart dashboards, no chip desoldering, no ECU headaches. Just smart, seamless diagnostic magic. But before we turn that ignition on, literally and figuratively, here's a quick shout out to you, our amazing viewer. If you've been silently watching our videos and learning with us, you're already part of the Baabji Motors family. But we need you to make it official. Hit that subscribe button, give that like a hard smash, and drop us a comment below. We're aiming for 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments in the next 24 hours, and with your support, we can reach that milestone. And hey, if this video saves you time or money, don't forget that super thanks button, because your support keeps us uploading these life-saving tutorials. Now here's a question for you before we dive deeper. Do you know what happens automatically after performing the all keys lost function on a VW MQB with OBDSTAR G3? If you think you do, comment your answer below. Let's see who gets it right. This video is strictly for educational and informational purposes only. All demonstrations, discussions, and explanations are designed to help technicians and car enthusiasts expand their diagnostic knowledge. Any references, tools, logos, or images belong to their rightful owners and are used under the principles of fair use. We do not promote or encourage any illegal activity. Always follow your regional laws and manufacturer protocols when working on any vehicle. All right, let's get our hands digitally dirty. Here's the full walkthrough of what we'll be doing in this video. We're using the OBDSTAR X300 Classic G3 key programmer to communicate with a Volkswagen MQB dashboard through the OBD port, retrieving IMMO data historically, and making a brand new dealer key from scratch. That's right, without even opening the dashboard or touching a single chip. The real magic behind OBDSTAR G3. Here's the genius behind this process. After using the all keys lost function on your VW with the G3 tool, the immobilizer data is not just read. It's securely uploaded to OBDSTAR's server. So the next time you work on that same vehicle, or even a similar one, you won't need to extract data manually again. You just tap into that historical data stored on the cloud via OBD, and boom, the dealer key is ready to be created. No EEPROM reader, no risky EEPROM writes, no disassembling ECUs. The tool itself will recognize the vehicle, access the stored IMMO info, and generate a working key with minimal input. What you'll need: simple, efficient, powerful. Let's talk tools. Here's your checklist before starting. Your trusted OBDSTAR X300 Classic G3, the main diagnostic cable, a brand new key, a VW with an MQB dashboard, and make sure you have stable internet. You'll need that connection to access the cloud-stored IMMO data. Step-by-step guide, no guesswork, just results. Let's jump into the procedure like a pro. 1. Connect the OBDSTAR X300 Classic G3 to your VW using the main cable. 2. On the screen, navigate like this. IMMO, then select VW/Audi/Skoda/seat, then select VW/Audi/Skoda/seat version 45.53, then select manual select system, then select VW, then select MQB meter, then select query historical IMMO data. 3. Ensure the car is connected to the internet. Without it, the tool won't reach the server to fetch that golden IMMO data. 4. Tap Start to begin the querying process. The tool will retrieve the historical IMMO data automatically. 5. turn on the ignition. This is important to power up the dashboard. 6. Choose VW from the list and place your new key inside the key sensing coil area. 7. Within seconds, the dealer key is created successfully. Now, here's something important. When doing this, ensure you have all the keys present. Any key that isn't learned in this session will be rendered inactive. That means it won't start the vehicle. 8. Enter the number of keys you wish to learn. Let's say 1 key for now. 9. Select the proximity option for smart key systems. 10. Turn the ignition switch until the dashboard lights up. 11. Follow the on-screen prompt to place the key near the sensing coil again. 12. The key is now programmed successfully. Now let's fetch the ECU info. Go back to the menu and navigate like this. All keys lost, then select ECU info. 1. Turn on the dashboard again. 2. Confirm the ECU information displayed on the screen. You'll see details like ECU model, VIN, key quantity, etc. 3. The dashboard lights will glow normally. Your new key will successfully turn on the ignition, proving everything was done correctly. Why this is a game changer. What used to take 45 minutes, soldering skills, and high risks can now be done in under 10 minutes with no disassembly. That's revolutionary. Imagine offering this kind of rapid service to a client, professional, clean, and efficient. You're not just a technician anymore. You're a car whisperer. And hey, if you're loving what you're learning, let's take a quick pause for a mid-video shout-out. If you're still watching, you clearly value real diagnostics. So how about showing us some love? Hit the like button, drop a comment telling us which brand vehicle you work on the most, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. It helps this channel more than you know, and we truly appreciate each one of you. Let's keep that challenge going. 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments. Let's do this together. This kind of intelligent, connected programming shows how much diagnostic tools have evolved. What OBDSTAR has done here is simplify something that was previously complex and risky. The beauty lies not just in the speed, but in the safety. No EEPROM corruption, no pin misreads, and no need for advanced soldering. From our point of view, the X300 Classic G3 isn't just a tool, it's an investment. If you're working regularly with VAG cars, this is a must-have. Now back to the question we asked at the start. What happens automatically after you use the All Keys Lost function with OBDSTAR G3? The answer is, the immobilizer data is uploaded to the server automatically, so you can retrieve it later without disassembly. If you got it right, pat yourself on the back. And if not, no worries. That's why you're here, to learn and grow. Now it's your turn. What's your view on this method? Would you trust cloud-synced IMMO data in a real-world scenario? Have you tried OBDSTAR tools for VW or similar platforms? Drop your opinions in the comments below. I read every one of them and love hearing from you. Did you know? The MQB platform is so modular that VW Group can use the same chassis for vehicles across 4 brands: VW, Audi, Skoda, and Seat. That's right. So mastering MQB means unlocking diagnostic skills for 4 manufacturers in one go. Thanks so much for watching this in-depth guide on querying VW MQB historical IMMO data using OBDSTAR X300 Classic G3. If this helped you, or even just fascinated you, please smash that like button, drop a comment, and share this with your fellow technicians. Let's keep this knowledge moving. And don't forget, subscribe to Baabji Motors for more real-world diagnostics, tool reviews, and secrets the manuals don't teach you. Your support powers this garage of knowledge, and we are beyond grateful. Let's hit that 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments goal. And don't forget to leave a super thanks if you truly enjoyed the video. Until next time, happy diagnosing and stay sharp.